once again, somehow it's filling a gap because my Jewish identity was not, I think, strong enough when I grew up, and I'm still trying to catch up. And it's feeling this need to be authentic, to understand my roots, and maybe I feel that I was not even part of this, not enough, not active enough in this thread transmission, and maybe I owe it to my ancestors, to my grandmother who had to fight. So because I was born in a very privileged environment. I mean, Paris in the late 60s, no war, no. I mean, somehow maybe I feel guilty that I have to do something to be. I'm sorry, in English it's a bit difficult at the moment to. French, I would say de faire une partie de un devoir de transmission et de combat, d'engagement, commitment, pour une histoire where I'm only one of the elements in the story, in the long story. Like everything I own, I want to give to my kids. Like I got so much from the previous generation, but they had to fight very hard to earn it, where I didn't really have to fight. I was born, like I said. So would you call this guilt? Maybe somehow, maybe. But I'm very conscious that people had suffered and had to fight for the next generation, and I want to do something probably for the next generations too.